In this video, I will show you how you can have a health system for our enemy. So we can shoot at it once, twice, and the third time it will be destroyed. Let's see how we can do that. For creating a health system for our enemy, we need some variable. So first thing first, in here, I want to create a variable and I want to call it health. Okay, and the type of it, I want it to be float. Next variable, I want it to be max health. So some of our enemy have 2 points of health, some of them have 1 point of health, and it's different between them, right? No, the max health by default, we want it to be 1, and the health, you can see it is 0, and we don't want to change it like this. We want to go to the begin play, right? In a begin play, we want to set the health to be the max health whenever enemy spawn. So in here, in the event begin play, either we can do it over here or we can do it with one of these pin, and we can have multiple pin on this event begin play with this sequence, right? So we say set the health like this with the max health. So whenever we spawn an enemy, the health will be the max health. So if we increase the max health, the health will start with the max health as well. Beautiful. Now we have the health. Let's just see where we can use it. We use it whenever we want to decrease or increase the health. So for example, in event any damage, we want to decrease the health. So let's see. In here, we want to get the health and subtract it by the damage that laser or player caused this enemy, right? And after decreasing the health, we need to set the health with this new value like this. And after that, we want to check if the health is less or equal than 0. In that case, we can use a branch in there. We can have an explosion like this, and after that destroy the enemy, right? Now with that done, if we run and let's just shoot at our enemy just like this, it will decrease the health and it will destroy it, right? But no, if we change the max health, for example, to 3, no, we need to shoot our enemy 3 times so we can destroy it. No, let's just run again. Let's go back, hit J 1 time, 2 time, and 3 time. Now you can see with 3 hits, we can destroy the enemy.